Welcome to this Mona Minute on the Keystone Formula sheet. So as we're looking at the Keystone Formula sheet, I want to point out a few things to you. First of all, they do tell you that you can use calculator pi or 3.14. Either one's not going to matter. Chances are it's going to be a multiple choice question, and one of your answers is going to be rounded along the way. So they're not going to give you something that is several decimal places to worry about. So don't panic about using calculator pi or 3.14, as again most answers are going to be rounded. So a couple of things to notice that they do give you here. They give you area of a rectangle and then also the volume of a rectangular prism. Now, if you are one of those people that gets kind of confused on the different forms of lines, the beauty of this when they say, hey, write an equation in slope-intercept form, and you're like, shoot, is that the ax plus by equals c or y equals mx plus b? Use your formula sheet. Go back and if you're ever questioning the terminology or doubting yourself, just take a quick glance at that formula sheet and check it out. And don't let that be the cause of missing a question because you were confused about which way to write your equation. Especially in the open-ended, they may ask for an equation in one form over the other. So you want to be particularly careful that you give them what they're asking for. Also, a lot of students, when they're finding slope, tend to forget, do I put my y's over my x's or my x's over my y's? And again, using the formula sheet to kind of help you along the way, it's y's over run, change in y over change in x. So, and we can confirm that with our formula sheet here. Some other things are the properties. And along the way, most of you know how to work these properties, that if you had 5 plus -5, you would get 0. You know all of that, but sometimes we forget the names of those. So again, when they're asking you to justify a step through a property and you're not quite sure, is it commutative? Is it associative? Again, come back to this real quick and check it out. It's a great tool for you, and don't be shy about looking at it and making some notes in your margins as you're working through the test. Good luck.